I'm Arav, and like and subscribe if you're new. And well, you might be wondering why you wanna subscribe. Basically, I have some helpful content like this one. Make sure to do that. And thank you to all the subscribers that have subscribed as well. So let's get in the video. So this video is basically about how you can basically just this one way you can get many people to subscribe probably. I'll just tell you how to do this. So first of all, you go on your channel, okay, and very first step, make sure to have like eye-catching thumbnail. I know these thumbnails are not that nice, but I'm just upgrading my skills on Photoshop and all that. And just in case you're wondering what I use for my thumbnails, it's called Photopea, and I made a video on that, how you can make thumbnails. So yes, so let's just get started. So this is what you want to do, okay? You'll go to your channel, you click this, okay, and now you see everything, and just leave this like this is, okay? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna put a question mark, okay, and then you're gonna type in this sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1, okay? Okay, there, is equals to 1. That's what you want to press, that's what you want to type in, okay? And then you're gonna do this. So with this link, as you can see, as soon as somebody clicks on that link, they'll be like greeted to this page, and at this point they'll probably subscribe, okay? So it's better than like canceling. So well, now you might be wondering how to get people to actually click on that link. So I'll explain you that. So for this video, I actually did that. I want to see if it actually works, and it definitely worked. So I'll show you how this works. So for example, I'm on this video, and then I can just come down here, and then as you can see right there, that's the thing. I mean, so this is the thing. Basically, people are sick of you telling them what to do, so you should probably, go for what they should not do, and that's how people are going to click on that link. So for example, I told everybody do not click the link and all that, and it actually worked. As you can see, do not click, and then you click this. So then they're gonna click it. They're curious now what this is, so they're gonna click, and now as you can see, they're agreed to this page, okay? And you can try this for yourself as well. It's quite effective, and basically that's the one thing that can get you many subscribers. So thanks for watching. I'll see you.